Amazon Buy Now Pay Later, how it works. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how the Amazon Buy Now Pay Later feature works, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you have the Amazon application, it most likely is also available in India, this type of feature, which is Buy Now Pay Later. So Amazon's Buy Now Pay Later program allows customers to purchase products by making a 20% upfront payment and then remaining the balance in the 4 equal 20% installments every 30 days. So you can pay in EMI every 30 days and there are no interest charges or fees for using this payment option. Now of course, when using the program, the first payment is due when the product ships and includes all shipping, handling and taxes. Any amount paid via the installment program is deducted from the total credit line on the card. As monthly payments are made on time, the credit line is replenished by a corresponding amount, and the minimum amount and maximum amount may vary by customer. For example, the minimum amount is 0 for a 1-month tenure, 1500 for a 3-month tenure, and 3000 for a 6-month, and so on and so forth. This is what the Amazon Buy Now Later program is all about. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.